Good morning. Chapter Binomial Theorem, exercise 8.1, question number 12. The question is, find x plus 1 to the power 6 plus x minus 1 to the power 6. Hence, evaluate root 2 plus 1 to the power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 to the power 6. Okay. So, start from first term, that is x plus 1 to the power 6, use binomial theorem. So, first you find or expand x plus 1 to the power 6, x plus 1 to the power 6. Okay, use binomial theorem. So, here n equal to 6.
Sir, it will be 6c0 into x to the power 6
into x to the power 6 into
plus 6c1 into x to the power 5 into 1.
Yes, x to the power 5. Okay, so plus 5 plus 1 is okay. No need to write 1. 6
Yes, sir.
x to the power 5. Okay, plus 6c2.
Sir, 6c2 into x to the power 4 into 1 square, which is 1 only.
4 plus 6c3.
Sir, plus 6c3 into x cube into 1 to the power 4.
But 4 is 1 only, so x cube only. Okay, plus 6c4. 64 x square. Okay.
Yes, sir. Answer last is 66.
65 x into x plus 66 into 1 to the power 6, that is 1. So 66 only. Okay. Now calculate this. 6c0 means factorial 6 by factorial 6 minus 0, that is 6. So 1, it is 1. So x to the power 6 only. Okay. Plus 6c1 means factorial 6 by factorial 6 minus 1, 5 into factorial 1. So factorial 6 means 6 into 5 factorial, 5 cancel.
Yes, sir.
So 6 x to the power 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
6 x to the power 5 plus 6c2 means factorial 6 by
So 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial.
Yes, and 6 means 6 into 5 into 4 factorial.
So 6 into 5 into 4 factorial.
Okay, so 30 by 2, it is 15.
So 15.
1, 5. 15 x to the power 4 plus. Then 6c3. 6c3 means factorial 6 by factorial 3 into factorial 3. So 6 into 4, 5 into 4 into factorial 3. So 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 4, 120. 120 by 6.
So it is 20.
20. Yes, 20 x cube. Plus.
So 6 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
6c4. Factorial 6 by factorial 4 into factorial 2. So 6 into 5 into 4. 6 into 5, 30. 30 by 2, it is 15.
So 15.
15 x square. Okay. 15 x square plus 65 means factorial 6 by
So 6 factorial by 5 factorial into 1 factorial. So it will be 6 into 5 factorial by 5 factorial. Then sir, 5 factorial and 5 factorial will get cancelled. So sir, it will be 6 only.
6x. And 66 is 1 plus 1. Okay, so x to the power 6 plus 6 x to the power 5 plus 15 x to the power 4 plus 20 x cube plus 15 x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, number 1. Now x minus 1 to the power 6. X minus 1 to the power 6. Okay. So equal to 6c0 into x to the power 6 plus 6c1 into x to the power 5 into minus 1. Okay, because second term is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Because of minus sign you have to write. Plus 6c2 x to the power 4.
So 62 into x to the power 4 into minus 1.
Minus 1 square.
Yes, sir. Sir, plus 63 into x cube into minus 1 to the power 4.
6c3 x cube
Into minus 1 to the power 4.
minus 1 to the power cube 61, 62, 63
Oh, yes, sir.
plus 64 after that 64 x square into minus 1 to the power 4. This is 4. Okay, plus 65 x into minus 1 to the power 5 plus 66 into minus 1 to the power 6. Okay,
Yes, sir.
equal to, so 6 is 0 is 1, that is x to the power 6. X to the power 6, then minus 1, so sign will be minus. Minus 6 x to the power 5.
So minus 6.
6x5, then minus 1 square is plus. Plus
Sir, plus 15 x to the power 4.
x to the power 4. Then minus 1 whole cube, so minus 20 x cube. Okay, then minus 1 to the power 4 it is plus. So plus 15 x square. 15 x square, then
Sir, minus 6x.
minus 6x, then
And then, sir, lastly, plus 1.
plus 1. Okay, this is question number 2. Okay, so 1
Yes,
because
sir.
of minus sign, 1 plus 1 minus. 6 minus 6x5 plus 15x4, then minus 20x cube plus 15x square minus 6x plus 1. Now as per question, equation 1 plus equation 2.
Sir, x here is equal to root 2.
Now equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, add. So we get x to the power 6, equation 1 write first, plus 6x to the power 5 plus all plus 15x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus equation 1 all plus 15x square plus 6x plus 1. Okay, now plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 2 is x to the power 6 minus 6 x to the power 5 plus 15 x to the power 4 minus 20x cube plus 15x
plus
square
15x square minus 6x plus 1.
minus 6x plus 1. Okay. Now
Sir,
see.
6 to the power 5, sir, 6x to the power 5 and minus 6x to the power 5 will get cancelled. And sir, minus 20x cube and plus 20x cube will get cancelled, and minus 6x and plus 6x will get cancelled.
Then equal to x to the power 6 plus x to the power 6. So 2x to the power 6 plus 15x4, 15x4, 30
Sir,
x to the
2.
power 4. 15 plus 50 in 30 x to the power 4 plus 15 plus 15, 30 x square
Sir, plus 2.
plus 2. Okay. Equal to, take common, 2 is common. X to the power 6
Sir, plus 15 plus, sir, plus 15x to the power 4 plus 15x square plus 1.
plus 15x square plus 1. Okay. This is
Yes,
first
sir.
part. This is first part answer. First part. 4 plus 15x square plus 1. Okay. Now second part. For
So
second
now we
part,
will put the value of root 2
putting x equal to
equation.
root 2. Okay. Because of question, root 2 plus 1. So putting x equal to root 2. We get so question is root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 to the power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 to the power 6 to the power 6 this equal to 2 into x to the power 6 means root 2 to the power 6
Sir, root 2 to the power 6 plus, sir, 15 into root 2 to the power 4
plus 15 into root 2 to the power 4 plus 15 into root 2 square plus 1. Okay. Now,
Sir, 2 into root 2 to the power 6 will be 8, and sir, root 2 to the power 4 will be 4, and root 2 to the power 2 will be 2.
so 15 into
So 15 into 4, which is 60.
15 into 2 square is 4
Yes, sir.
plus 15
Sir,
into
plus 15 into 2.
2 plus 1. Okay. Equal to 2 into 8
Sir, 8 into 15 into 4, which is 60.
plus
Sir, plus 30 plus 1. Sir, it will be 2 into 99.
plus 1. Okay. So equal to 2 into 60 plus
So 2 into 99.
98, 91, 99.
Yes, sir. So 2 into 99, which is 198.
8. Okay. This is the answer. Second part answer. Okay. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we'll do question number 13. Next. Number, show that so that 9 to the power n plus 1, 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by is divisible by 64. 64 whenever n is a positive integer. Positive integer. Okay. So 9 to the power, question is 9 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Okay. So we can write 9 means 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Okay. Now use binomial theorem. 1 plus 8 to the power n plus 1, so equal to n plus 1 C0. C0 into 1 to the power n plus 1, so n plus 1 C0 only. Okay. Plus n plus 1 C1. C1. Okay. Into 8. Into 8 plus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
N plus 1 C2 into 8 square plus n plus 1 C3 into 8 cube plus, and last term is n plus 1.
Sir, n plus 1 C n plus 1 into 8 n plus 1.
8 to the power n plus 1. Okay. This minus 8n minus 9. Okay. Minus 8n minus 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is n plus 1 C0 means? N plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 factorial, so 1 only. So it is 1. Okay. Plus, what is n plus 1 C1 means? N plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 minus 1, that is n factorial. And n plus 1 factorial means n plus 1 into n factorial, so it is n plus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So n plus 1 into 8 plus n plus 1 C2, right only. N plus 1 C2 into 8 square plus n plus 1 C3 into 8 cube. Okay. Plus n plus 1 Cn plus 1. So n plus 1 Cn plus 1 means factorial n plus 1 by factorial n plus 1. You can write n plus 1 and Cn plus 1 also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or so actually what is the value? N plus 1 Cn plus 1, n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 factorial into this minus this, that is 0 factorial, it is 1. So it is 1 only.
So it will be 1.
So 8 to the power n plus 1 we can write, or you can write this because of question n plus 1 c n plus 1. Okay, 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Okay. Now 8n plus 8 multiply by 8, 8n plus 8 and 8 plus 1 it is 9. Okay. So 9, this means 9 plus
So 9 plus 8 and
8n plus n plus 1 c2 into 8 square plus n plus 1 c3 into 8 cube, okay, plus n plus 1 cn plus 1 into 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9. Okay. Now these two cancel by 8.
sir 8 and will be cancelled.
Yes, 8n, 8n and 9, 9. This 9, this 9. Okay. So this equal to n plus 1 c2 8 square plus n plus 1 c3 8 cube plus plus last term n plus 1 c n plus 1 8 to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now take common 8 square common. Okay, 8 square means 64.
64 sir.
So n plus 1 c2 plus
Sir plus n plus 1 c3 into 8.
3 into 8. This into 8 plus last term n plus 1 c n plus 1 into 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 2. Okay, so it is 8 to the power n plus 1 minus 2.
S minus 1. Sir 8 to the power n minus 1.
Okay. So 64 into this. Now we can say no, this is divisible by 64 as per question.
Sir it is equal to 64.
64 into this part. So it is divisible by 64. Now you can say.
Yes sir.
Okay. Hence. So which is divisible by?
Sir can we write it is equal to 64k?
No. Why equal to 64? 64 into something is there, no? Not only 64.
Yes sir. Sir I said we can write it as it is equal to 64k. Like sir k can be any positive integer.
Again we have to write k equal to this. So no need to write. Is okay.
Yes, sir.
64 into something. So which is divisible by 64 is okay. Which is divisible by 64. Okay. Divisible by 64.
Yes sir.
This proved. This is the question. Okay, it's clear?
Yes sir.
Right, question number 14. Number. Prove that summation of r equal to 0 to n 3 to the power r 3 to the power r into NCR equal to 4 to the power n. 4 to the power n. Okay. So start from left hand side. So it is summation r equal to 0 to n 3 to the power r into NCR. Okay. Now first you put r equal to 0. So 3 to the power 0 into NC0. Okay. Plus 3 to the power 1 into NC1 plus 3 squared 3 2 NC2. Okay, plus dot dot last term, right? 3 to the power n up to n, 3 to the power n into NCN. Okay, now arrange it. So you can write this equal to NC0 3 to the power 0. Okay, 3 to the power 0 means what?
Yes, sir.
So this plus and 1 to the power. Also you can write this into 1 to the power n. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This into 1 to the power n plus NC1. You can write 1 to the power n minus 1. 1 to the power n minus 1 into 3 to the power 1. Okay. Plus 1 NC2 1 to the power n minus 2 into 3 to the power square. Okay. Plus
Yes, sir.
dot dot plus last term, right? NCN. So last term
Sir, into 3 to the power n.
3 to the power n. Okay. So use binomial theorem. So this equal to, you can write 1 plus 3 to the power n. Okay. 1 plus 3 to the power n.
Yes, sir.
And this equal to 4 to the power n.
Sir, 4n.
4 to the power n. Okay. So this is question only 4 to the power n.
Yes, sir.
So it is proved. See. Is clear?
Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Right now, right.
Sir, written.
Written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.